Well, hello. Welcome back to the Karnes Motorsports International headquarters. Working on this Mustang again. Did a little work on that TS400. I got it back together, but couldn't really make it run, so I quit that for a while. Figured get some color shot on this Mustang. We're going to be shooting some Omni MP282 high build primer. And it's got to be mixed with the Omni MH283 catalyst. I don't remember the ratio, but got the paperwork here somewhere. So I'm going to throw that in the paint shaker, and while that's shaking, I've already blown the car off and wiped it off once, but I might wipe it off again. So we'll go to a time lapse and go from there. Yeah, we're all mixed up here with the MP282. Apparently it mixes 4 to 1. So got it all mixed up. I'm using it as a high build application, so I didn't put any reducer in it, or a spray filler I guess they call it on the paperwork. So let's I'll get set up here and go for another time lapse, and we'll start shooting her. There you go. I'd say that was a success. Got about 3 coats on the roof. I figured any panel that I'm going to be sanding, blocking a lot out of, like the roof and the, the quarters, and the cowl up here. I figured I'd try to get, 2-3 coats. The cowl actually came out extremely flat. Nice part about this is I'll be able to guide coat it all and then block it all down. I think I'll start with like some 220 and then maybe hit it with some 320, and as long as I'm not burning through anywhere, keep going and wet sand it with some 400. But yeah, there's the other side of the roof and the other quarter. My fancy paint booth exhaust fan. Yeah, this quarter here came out pretty good. I don't remember from my earlier videos, I basically grafted another chunk of quarter panel on from here and down from here and over. This right here was all stuffed. Dollied that back as best as I could. It looks like crap, but it considerably better. This whole corner was stuffed in about back to here. Yeah, it came out pretty good. Put rockers in this car. I put a big patch right here, a little patch right there. Put rockers. I scabbed onto the bottom of the quarters when I did the rockers, and it's a little wavy down there. I have to do a lot of blocking down there, but I welded up all the holes, body worked the engine bay. This side, put a rocker in, full rocker. Same thing, scabbed onto the bottom of the quarter down there. You can see it's a little wavy. I'll have to do some work on that. I didn't have to do anything to this wheel well, but then this quarter, I put a piece on from there, right across there, down. But that's where she's at. I took, it's a Thursday before Good Friday, I took week after Easter off from work, and hopefully with any luck I'll let this shrink down for a couple days and then start blocking it out, and if I have to I'll apply some more. You know, if I burn through I'll put some more on and just keep blocking, but with any luck Monday or Tuesday we'll have some color and clear shot on the shell. Then while that's up at my dad's where we're going to paint it, I will start body working on the fenders and the hood and the doors and the hatch and all that good stuff. Let the paint cure a day, and then start bolting the motor and rear end and everything back under it. That's the kind of crappy part about this, is I got to put the K-frame and all the front suspension under, the back suspension under, just so I can winch it on the trailer to take it a quarter mile up the road. But you know, such is life. But you don't really want to paint it in here. There's not enough room, not enough light. And but anyways, that's where we're at for now. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, give me a comment, and until next time, thanks for watching.